Good morning, dear students. I am really happy to invite you all to my class. You might have heard about the traffic rules. An important rule in traffic is that all of you should wear seat belt while driving a vehicle. Look at this picture. There is a woman driving a vehicle. She is not wearing a seat belt. Now see what happens when she suddenly has to stop the vehicle. She is thrown away from the seat and she hits the front glass of the vehicle. Is it not? How does this happen? It happens because the body of the lady is not able to stop its position by itself. It was moving along with the car, and when the car was suddenly stopped, this body was not able to stop by itself. That is why our government compels us to wear seat belt. Okay. Now this principle, this is called inertia. What is called inertia? The inability of a body to change its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line. See, even you can take direction. That is the inability of a body to change its state of rest or uniform motion or direction by itself is called inertia. Okay, now there are three types of inertia, that are inertia of rest, inertia of motion and inertia of direction. Now let us see what is inertia of rest. The inability or resistance of a body to change its state of rest is called inertia of rest. Thus, look at the picture nearby. There is a vehicle which is at rest, and the persons in the vehicle are also at rest, is it not? Now, when the driver suddenly starts the vehicle, the person who is standing in the vehicle is leaning backwards. Why does it happen? His body wants to be in the state of rest. That is why he is leaning backwards. Now, here there is a glass tumbler on which a paper and above which a 5 rupee coin is placed. When we suddenly draw the paper, actually the coin which is above the paper should also move with the paper, is it not? But the coin has the inability to move. That is, it has inertia of rest. So what will happen is, yes, the coin fell into the glass itself because it was the position of the coin, so it fell into the glass. When the coins are given a stroke, what happened? Yeah, the coins which were arranged above the coin which was striken, they just sit on the same position, is it not? Two videos will be played here. Look at the two videos, short videos, and just conclude what factor affects inertia. Have you concluded anything? In the first video, the weight of the book placed above the paper was very less. So when the paper was drawn, the book was also moving somewhat a bit with it, is it not? But here the weight of the books are more. Therefore, when the paper is drawn, the books could not move. So what does the inertia depend on? What does it depend on? Inertia depends on the mass of the objects. If the object is heavy, then what will happen? The object can resist more, is it not? It will have more resistance for the movement. Now, inertia of motion. The inability or resistance of a body to change its state of motion is called inertia of motion. Look at the picture. There is a vehicle. What happens there? The vehicle is in motion, and when the vehicle is suddenly stopped, the person sitting in the vehicle are moving towards the direction of the movement of the vehicle, is it not? So that their bodies are not able to stop by themselves. This is called inertia of motion. This is just fun. Now, inertia of direction. The inability or resistance of a body to change its direction by itself called inertia of direction. Look at the picture. The vehicle is moving. When the vehicle is about to turn in turnings, what happens is the persons, if the vehicle is turning towards the right, person sitting in the vehicle will be moving towards the left, and if the vehicle is turning towards the left, the persons will be moving towards the right position, is it not? Why does this happen? Because of the inability of the body to change its state of direction, that is direction of motion. When you travel in the vehicle, you might have experienced this effect.